Over here is the snack place. There is snacks inside. You can put any type of snack you want. And over here, you must adjust this correctly, or else the snack inside might not come out that easily. Over here is where the drink is. Inside, we will put a drink here, and the water pump will take the drink and make it come out of this hole, this straw. If the cup trigger is pushed in. Let's see the back. Now, this is how it works. Over here, you can see Oreo motor. On the Oreo motor, we will follow it, and we can see that it is connected to these two things. These two will push the Oreo out because the microbit is connected to the Oreo motor, so these two things will move. Over here, we can find water pump. Now, the water pump is inside over here. The water pump is connected to this straw and the straw over here. When there is a drink and the cup trigger is pushed in, the drink will come out of this straw into a cup. Now, this is the cup trigger. I just told you what it does, so we don't need to go over it. That's a gun. This is the Oreo motor to move this. Now, I will plug it in and let's see how it works. There is an unhappy face. That means you need the correct card over here. Correct RFID card to make it a happy face. Now I will put the drink in and call a volunteer to help me test out the cards, which 2 are fake and 2 are real. We put the drink in, and we put the hose inside the opener. Now here are the cards. This card is my card, which works. Over here there is other 3 cards. 2 of these cards don't work, and 1 of these cards work. Now I will mix it up, and my volunteer over here will test which card works and which card doesn't work. The first card. It doesn't work. The second card doesn't work also. The third card works, and when the Oreo drops, at the back, it turns into a smiley face now. But the water doesn't, or the drink doesn't drop. Why? Because nothing is pushing the cup trigger. Now, we will use this card, and this time we will put a cup over here. The Oreo is dropping. And now the water is coming out. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.